Hey guys, it's Io, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a boost from an emitter so you can make a cool room or anything like that. Also, I'm going to be doing a competition on who can make the coolest one. Send me pictures or videos of it. I'll leave my Discord in the description. The winner does get a 3-star box. And keep in mind, this is not a contest. This is still for tutorial videos. On with the video. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your watch. Go to your backpack and press use on your maker pen. Once you've got your maker pen out, you're going to want to go to open your palette. You're going to want to go to gadgets, other chips, and you're going to want to go to the second page. You're going to want to get yourself 2 states and a state machine. Once you've got your 2 states and your state machine, you're going to want to go to props, dynamic, and get yourself a button. Once you spawn your button in, you're going to want to go to palette, gadgets, other gadgets, and get yourself an emitter. Now that you have your emitter, I recommend rotating it whatever way you want, just so when you're done, you don't have to rotate it at the end. It'll already be which way you want. After we do that, we're going to want to configure our emitter and put it on boost or whatever you want. After that, we're going to want to wire our state machine to the first state, second state to the first state, and first state to the second state. So it's a circle. After that, you're going to want to wire activate to the red and activate to the other red. Once you have them both activated onto the red on the button, you're going to want to start configuring your states. Configure the state on the top and make its name state 1. Once you do that, value 1 should be 2, value 2 should be -8, and value 3 should be -10. Once you've done that, you need to configure state 2. Name this state 2. This should be 0, 5, 0, 0. After that, you're going to want to press wire on your maker pen and wire val 1 to color on the emitter and val 2 to size on the emitter. After you've done that, you can push this button and it will have a little and big explosion. You can mess around with the settings on any one of these and make it different. Now that you guys have your multicolored blast, I want you guys to try to make your own. Make it different colors, anything you want, and DM me in Discord. If you're up for the challenge, the winner will get a 3-star box. Thank you, and remember, be creative and keep learning. Goodbye.